Good morning, guys. Well, if you've never joined our channel, if you've never heard me before, guys, we love scalping on this channel. We like taking trades, we like winning trades, we like having healthy accounts. We currently have the highest win rate recorded for crypto that we can find anywhere, and that is 124 wins with only one loss. That one loss was on Luna. Let me show that to you guys really quick under the pricing page. 124 wins, one loss is documented in our Telegram channel. But on top of this, we have been starting to scalp really heavily since May 18th. So what I've been doing for you guys, we've been keeping track of all these trade calls, and I'm going to call another one today for you guys. So since May 18th, we've taken out we've called 36% profit from the market. If you guys are following these calls, you're literally at 36% profit. We called 4% profit, total of 8 times. So basically, 9 times, because Solana was our 9th trade. So if you take 9 and you times that by 4, you've got 36% profit. Okay, what I'm gonna do today, guys, is show you another very good setup and how we actually go through and use the indicators and metrics to look for a very good scalping entry so you guys can make some money, okay? The membership over here, you guys can snag this. This will give you guys access to the charts, which is what we use. And then you guys will also be wanting to just get the indicators here because, first of all, they're on discount 82%. We've had this going for a very, very long time. Bear market's been going on for a long time, but we want to keep this discounted for you guys while things are moving down. So let's make some money, guys. And last but not least, here's the tutorial video right here. You guys can watch of this. And got people making thousands of dollars a month in here. This guy down here looking at this, he's, $485. Pretty awesome. The next morning, 661. That's pretty cool. Thousands of dollars a month and $5,000 in one single week using the indicators. And you guys can look at more testimonials here. All right. Did I get you jacked up enough? Let's get in and actually look for a trade setup today. So here's the parameters, guys. Price to swell money flow. You need it on your charts. Trend exhaustion. You need it on your charts. And we're going to be looking at the metrics today. So let's pull up the charts. Okay, first things first, where you want to look for the trend exhaustion to be in the bottom red section. This morning it's kind of flip-flopping a little bit because we've got price going up and down. So I'm going to say this is valid for Bitcoin, and so we'll keep that on here as a valid entry. I'm going to take this off for a second. These are the 8 coins that I'm injecting a lot of money into the market. If you guys follow the channel, you'll understand more of that in a little bit later. But we're going to do this. We're going to go down. We're going to say, is the trend exhaustion in the bottom red section? And if it is, we're going to be coming over here and we're going to be putting a green little tag by it. That's the first thing we want to look at. Probably a lot of these are going to be down here. So this will be a fun video to show you guys how I narrow this down to the absolute best entry for crypto. And so what I'm doing is just going through my watch list in the morning, taking a look at all these, and I'm saying, okay, is that trend exhaustion in the bottom red section? And if it is, I'm putting a little mark over here. Sorry guys, my golden retriever's barking in the background if you can hear him. Then XRP is down here. Okay, now that we've done all that, we now want to go back up here and look at the whale money flow, and we want to try to find the lowest value possible over here. And that's going to give us an idea. Are whales done selling? Because when they start buying and they start getting up here and they're done buying, they're going to switch over to selling. But when they're selling and they're done selling and they've done that, pretty aggressively, that's when we look for market moves back up, and that's when crypto usually starts seeing moves back up. Okay, let's follow this. So the metric value is 33 on Bitcoin. Can we beat 33? Ethereum is at 23, so Ethereum beats it out. We're looking for something lower than 23. I would say this is at 25, so Ethereum still beats it out there. Lower than 23 here, we're at 36. So DOT, lower than 23. We are down to a 15. That's ridiculous. So DOT is super low. AVAX over here, 19 still does not beat our 15 over here. That's probably going to be the winner today, guys. Do you see what I'm doing here? I'm literally narrowing this down to the greatest potential chance of reversal on crypto. And we're doing this with 2 indicators. We're also going to be looking at the metrics here. So 21, and then I guarantee you guys it's not going to be, it's not going to beat it. That's 21. Okay, hands down, the best setup today is DOT, but we're not done yet. So let's go over here. Let's look at XRP because XRP was really low too. And we'll take a look at that. So we're going to compare 2 things, DOT and XRP. We're going to go back over the metrics and we're going to take a look at this. Do Control F, DOT. All right. Once we see this, we want to look to see, ideally, guys, I personally like to see this down to an 80 to 100% chance of a reversal, because when we do see that in the market, we just see better chances of market moves back up, okay? When it's down to this 80 to 100, it just has a greater chance of moving back up. Now, remember, this is the daily time frame. This is a whole lot more than the percentage we're looking for. What we're going to be looking for is a 4% move back up in the market. That's all we're looking for to capture the scalping trade, okay? So I would say this is decent. Let's take a quick look at XRP real quick just to see if we can find better data if it's even lower. It's not. So we're sitting at about 65, I would say, for XRP, and DOT is sitting at about 70, I would say 2 or 3. So DOT actually is officially the best call today for a scalping trade, but we're not done yet. What we're going to do here is we're going to use very, very good risk management in order to get into this trade. So here's what we're going to do. I want you guys to do this. We're going to end up using the first 3 buy limits for this trade. We normally use 3 buy limits. I do want to keep this private for our members this morning, so you guys can access this. But what I'll do is I'll show this to you guys on another coin. I'll show it to you guys on Doge, for example. I just want to keep it more value for you guys who are members, just a way to honor you guys. So let's pretend we're looking at DOT here. Since we validated right now, DOT is a great entry right now. It's not financial advice, but is a great entry right now. What I want you guys to look for is potentially follow me on this. And this is what I've done in the market. It works really, really well. And this is how we've called these trades. Let's say you have $10,000. What I look to do is split it into 3 equal portions. So $3,333 would go at a market order right now because we validated it, okay? And then the other let me go over here. 3,333 would go at this buy limit here, and 3,333 would go at this buy limit here. This will give you guys, it's like buying insurance on your trade in case the market goes lower. I will be tracking this, I'll be updating this, and you guys will see when this actually closes because I'll call this out in Telegram so you guys can look for this win. Guys, we've called out 36% profit since May 18th. Depending on if you guys used 1 buy limit, 2 buy limits, or 3, go ahead and feel free to divide that by how many you used, okay? But we have had 9 trades hit 4% profit since May 28th. That's not, May 18th. That's pretty incredible, okay? We're just sitting below that 1% mark a day. Not too bad. So that's how you guys are going to do this. You're going to go down here. If you want to follow, you'll do a market order for 33% if you wish, and then you can look to do 33% at this buy limit, 33% here. Please consult an advisor before you do that. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just what we've done, and it has been very good for us. So I'll be mocking this trade up right after I'm done with this, and I'll be tracking this when this video is rendered. We're going to look at that exact entry because that's when you guys will be able to see it. I'm not going to do it now. I'm going to do it when the video is rendered because that makes it fair for everyone. We're going to mock that up, and then we're going to get in here and we're going to manage this. Now we'll call this out. And I think we're actually going to be able to take this win pretty soon, which will put us at exactly 40% profit since May 18th. That's pretty cool, guys. May 18th, we're in June right now, June 29th. So 40%, we're getting very close to that 1% profit a day. And I've been calling this out. And if you guys literally are following me on the YouTube channel and you guys are following me in the membership over here, you guys come over here under pricing, get a membership, guys. Follow me and get into the Telegram channel. I'll be calling out these exits for you guys, and I'm just giving you guys this one. The next one, I'll probably end up doing just for our members so you guys don't see it on YouTube to give you guys more value who are paying for this. So guys, keep an eye out for this. Have an amazing day. The metrics are accessible through here as well as the Telegram chat, and then make sure you guys do get the indicators. We do have them on discount. We've had this discount for a while because we're in a bear market. You guys are going to get 82% off the full prices of these. It's lifetime access on all of our indicators, one-time payment, source codes, and all indicators are included. All 9 of these are what you guys are going to be able to get. The price for small money flow and trend exhaustion is what you really need, but if you get the bundle pack, you're going to get all these. 2 Forex indicators never coded on TradingView before, and this is what we call our pressure gauge jackpot indicator. So make sure you guys are watching out for that. All of these guys are in the bundle pack. Snag them. It's a really good deal, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Good luck on the trade, guys. Bye-bye.